New AerialOGI-N enables real-time detection of gas emissions by hand or drone. Teledyne FLIR OEM and AerialOGI Unveil AerialOGI-N. Teledyne FLIR OEM has teamed up with optical gas imaging specialist AerialOGI to launch the AerialOGI-N, a groundbreaking optical gas imaging camera module designed to streamline gas inspection workflows. The AerialOGI-N is the first optical gas imaging OGI module with a two-click connection to both handheld and drone-mounted gimbals, allowing inspectors to detect and quantify harmful gas emissions efficiently from the ground or air. The AerialOGI-N is part of the Thermal by FLIR program and features Teledyne's Neutrino registered LCOGI 640 multiplied by 512 resolution midwave infrared MWIR camera core. This advanced imaging system can detect more than 25 greenhouse gases, including methane and other volatile organic compounds VOCs, in real time. Designed for versatile and efficient gas inspections, the new camera module can be integrated with 7 industrial drone platforms, including the NDA-compliant ArchSky X55. The ArchSky drone offers up to 45 minutes of flight time on battery power and up to 2 hours when using a hybrid power system, expanding mission flexibility for inspection teams. The launch of AerialOGI-N marks a significant milestone in VOC detection and quantification technology, said Eric Olson, partner and founder of AerialOGI. This innovative and flexible OGI module, combined with our AerialOGI reporting tool software, empowers gas inspection professionals to enhance inspection efficiency and reduce emissions and costs. Real-time data processing for immediate action. The AerialOGI-N uses a sophisticated gas detection algorithm that processes high-resolution thermal data in real time. One-button leak event capture enables the system to deliver immediate and actionable data to leak detection and repair LDAR software. This capability supports faster and more cost-effective decision-making while reducing environmental impacts. Gas detection camera, optical gas imaging, OGI, AerialOGI. We are thrilled to collaborate with AerialOGI and support the gas emission monitoring industry, said Jared Ferrato, Director of Product Management at Teledyne FLIR OEM. The collaboration exemplifies our commitment to advancing optical gas imaging technology and providing innovative solutions that address critical environmental and regulatory challenges. Live demonstration at OFC Exponential 2025. The AerialOGI-N will be on display at the Teledyne FLIR booth 39 during the OFC Exponential Conference in Houston, Texas, from May 20th to 2025. For more information about the Neutrino LCOGI camera core, visit www.flr.com/thermalbyflr. To explore AerialOGI's full product line, visit www.aerialogi.com. Read more. Teledyne FLIR introduces radiometric thermal camera modules for defense and industrial applications. Teledyne FLIR releases Prism trademark supervisor software to enhance drone autonomy. Grumsy joins Thermal by FLIR program with NDA-compliant VIO F1 drone payload.